Okay, now that we have the window up, what I'm going to do is I'm going to check it for level. Both this way, it's level this way, and we're going to check for plumbness, and it's plumb this way. Now, we're going to be screwing it. Now, one thing you're going to notice, I'm going to screw the outside edges. I'm going to miss every second hole. Like any other PVC or vinyl product, as you notice, the holes are slotted. So you put the screw or nail in through the center of the slot to allow for expansion contraction, typically. Now this here has to still be up. Okay,